I wanted to make this video on how you can scrape phone numbers when you're doing cold calling. So if you want to scrape numbers from YellowPages, Google Search, and Google Maps, this video will help you out tremendously when you want to just get those numbers and you haven't found an efficient way to do it. So these are the three things that you will need. Obviously, Google Sheet, then Instant Data Scraper, and then you need to create a custom apps script that you need to put inside Google Sheets. So let's start with the first step, which is getting the Instant Data Scraper. So you just go here. You just Google Instant Data Scraper, go here, Chrome Web Store, download it to the Chrome, and it should appear somewhere here. So I have it here. So let's start off with the first step. That's scraping YellowPages. So let's go here. Just Google YellowPages, yellowpages.com. Let's say we want to scrape numbers of, let's say, roofing companies. Let's say roofing, and then say Las Vegas, Nevada. Let's see what we get. We got 174 results here, so let's scrape those real quick. Just go here, Instant Data Scraper, check that everything's correctly here, see the numbers, locate next button, scroll down, then pick the arrow, then start crawling. Cool, now it's done with the results, so you can just copy and paste all of these to your Google Sheet and delete all the unnecessary shit that is in here. Now you got everything organized nicely here. You got the company name and the phone number from YellowPages. Next up, we can move on to scraping Google Maps. I've seen and heard a lot of people having issues with scraping Google Maps, not being able to find any results, or the scraper not just working and giving just random stuff. So let's just use roofing again. Let's say roofing Las Vegas. Go here, open up the Google Maps, so click more businesses. Now we got all these different businesses and everyone's contact number here. And obviously, we want the company name and the number as well. We're gonna load up Instant Data Scraper again. And then you obviously try another table if you see some stuff like this. So all that matters is the company name, and this section has all the phone numbers. So there are like random data as well, like 10 plus years in business, but it has the number, so that's what matters. We can use some Google Apps code to just remove the start part and just leave the phone number there. So let's just start crawling again. So start crawling, and it's grabbing all the numbers from there. Now we got the Google Maps search Vegas roofers list ready. We just go here and copy and paste the results. Leave out the company name and then this section which has the phone numbers usually. And now we got the data here, so we got the company names and the phone numbers. But the only issue is we have this unnecessary info at the start, like 20 plus years in business, just some random info that we don't need. Next up, we're gonna open up extensions and then create a custom Google Apps script. So go here, extensions, then apps script. Go here. Now you got this open, and I've already got my code here. So I'm going to drop this code to the most likely the description of this video, so you can run this automation. It's super simple. You just put the code here and then press run. It's going to run it, then return the phone numbers and clean up the list for you. Cool, so now we scraped we scraped YellowPages, and we've scraped Google Search. Next up, we're gonna scrape just usual Google Search. So let's go here, and then let's say roofing again. Say roofing Las Vegas. Then now we're gonna scrape these. all the companies which are listed here. We're gonna get instant data scraper again, try another table. The only thing that matters is, we get the domains. So locate next button again, then next, go here, should be this, then start crawling. Now we got this data here. We got the, is it this one or is it the other one? Yeah. It's this one. Yeah, so now we got the data here. So we go here, copy these again, put all info here. Then once again, delete all the unnecessary stuff. So now we got the domains here. We're gonna create a custom script again. I've already got it here. I'm gonna drop it once again in the description as well. The way this works is it's gonna get the website, go to the URL, and get their phone number from the description. Obviously, this is a Yelp, and there are like Angie and random related, not roofing related companies. So we're gonna fix that later on. So let's just run this for now. So it's find, then company contact number, year. Put it in a cell, grabs the number from their website, and let's just run it for all. Cool, now it has run. We're gonna check. Now, obviously some websites don't give the number, so it can't give you the number. This should give you pretty much a good idea of how to use this, how to use Google AppsScript. Next, we're gonna find if the company is actually a roofing company or not. I've got the script here as well, and I'm going to drop it in the description for you guys. So this utilizes the Google AppsScript. It's very useful once you know how to create the code inside. You can use ChatGPT or Claude to make the code. That's what I did. So we're just going to go here, and then is roofing company. Just going to go to the domain. Let's just run it for all. Here we go. Let's give it a few seconds. Should be finished in a few. Cool, there we go. It obviously cannot access everything. For example, like Angie's List, it's not you can just tell by the name that it's not a roofing company in itself. The same with the phone numbers. It can't get all the phone numbers if they don't say it or show it anywhere on their website. Now you can just create a filter and filter by if it's a roofing company or not. Here we go. And then let's say you want to do some scraping based just on the company name. So let's just pick this random that I found when I Googled list of roofing companies, just random. But yeah, 30 top commercial roofing contractors in 2024. We're gonna open up Instant Data Scraper again. Then check that we have the companies here. Let's go here and just copy this to a small list so we can just do this. Let's put the companies here, company name. And now I've got then AppsScript for that as well to find the company name. So we just go here, then find URL. And it's gonna check it's gonna find the URL of the company. This is a pretty good one if you want to scrape, based on the company name. Obviously, it's not always gonna work, but should give you an idea on how you can use this. Then you can run the rest of the automations, the rest of the code here. For example, like contact number. I don't know if it gives here, but not. But yeah, you get the idea on how you can use the automation. So there we have it, a quick video on how you can scrape phone numbers from YellowPages, Google Search, Google Maps, or just by the company name.